Today, we'll be showing you how to uninstall programs on Windows 10. Whether you want to free up disk space or remove unwanted software, we've got you covered with this step-by-step guide. Let's get started. Before we dive into the process, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so you never miss any of our helpful tech tutorials. Now, let's learn how to uninstall programs on Windows 10. The first step is to access the control panel, where we can manage installed programs. Click on the Start button in the bottom left corner. Type Control Panel in the search bar. Click on Control Panel from the search results. In the Control Panel, we'll find the option to uninstall programs. In the Control Panel window, click on Uninstall a Program under the Programs category. Here, you'll see a list of all the programs installed on your computer. Scroll through the list to find the program you want to uninstall. Now, let's remove a program from your computer. Select the program you wish to uninstall by clicking on it once. Click on the Uninstall button located at the top of the list. A confirmation window will appear, asking if you want to proceed. Click Yes to confirm. The uninstallation process will begin. If the program requires your input during uninstallation, make sure to follow the prompts. Once the uninstallation is complete, you may be asked to restart your computer. If prompted, go ahead and restart. Congratulations! You've successfully uninstalled a program on Windows 10. Repeat the process for any other programs you wish to remove. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.